Happy Valentine's Day, gorgeous! I am going to show you an easy and fast recipe to surprise the one you love most. All of the products are from Trader Joe's. First, we are going to be making a heart-shaped omelette. It has spinach, tomatoes, and vodka sauce. Ooh! I am going to be showing you the products I used and linking the heart mold down in the info box for you. With this recipe, I add as many tomatoes as I like. It's really a preference. And the same for spinach. Don't think that it's a lot of spinach, to be honest with you guys. Spinach is good for you, right? Then all you're gonna add is salt and pepper to taste, and you're good to go. As a base, I used this garlic oil, which is so yummy. I put this on salads and on pretty much anything because it's so good. What you're gonna do is that you're gonna cook the eggs under medium-low heat, and then you're gonna put the lid on so that the omelet can cook evenly. This is just going to make your morning so much easier. And all you're gonna need is a pack of potatoes. This one, to be specific. And when you're cooking them, the trick is to not put a lid on because this is going to allow for them to crisp up. And that's what you want. Okay, so while that's cooking, I am moving on to the bread. I am going to slice it evenly, but to be honest with you, you can slice the bread any way you like. The secret here is to use this onion chive spread. I can't begin to tell you how delicious this is. You will be hooked. I promise you that. You will be hooked. For coffee, you guys have seen this cold brew before, and this is a staple in my morning routines. I love this coffee. And yes, you guys are going to see me pouring a lot, but in my case, I have an excuse. Sandy, my husband, he is not the average height. He is 6 feet, 9 inches, so the boy can take more caffeine than most people. For dessert, I found these cupcakes and macaroons, which I love.
You think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in.